All right, cheers. Good soup, day 14, right? 15.
That's 41, that's 51.
15, 14. Good soup. Okay, dude. So we're gonna drink tortillas today. Yes. Yeah, we really are gonna drink tortillas today. Let me explain. Watch the video, see what the fuck we're doing today. I'm gonna make what's called champurrado. You can also Google like Mexican hot chocolate. And this is a standard thing during the holidays because that's when it's cold down south, back home. It's still cold up here, so we might as well still have chocolate up here, hot chocolate. For our chocolate choices, this is the standard. This is Mexican chocolate. Comes usually in a package like this. That's good to go. And it's got the sugar, cinnamon, and everything in there. This is the more like traditional route from where I'm from. Today, I'm gonna be using cacao nibs, which is like super legit traditional down south Mexico. Or you could just do like some good old dark chocolate. I've actually never tried this one. We should probably try this out, see how it is. It looks pretty good. It's got a fancy little wrapper. Let's see what's up with this chocolate. Whoa. You ever heard of this?
No.
Oh, it's kind of fruity, huh? That's pretty good. That's intense. I like dark chocolate. Sugar choices. You could usually do canela. It's this cone-shaped thing. Michael could probably put a picture right here. Okay, I looked up an image for you. Sorry, it's called piloncillo, okay? Piloncillo is the like OG stuff that you would use, or just use brown sugar. Or you could do palm sugar, which is also a good legit way. I'm gonna do maple sugar, because I love this shit. Maple sugar and everything is really good. So let's do that. And we'll do cocoa nibs, do cinnamon, milk, and tortillas. This is thickened with masa harina. I've had this really good heirloom corn from Hacienda. Really legit stuff. This is what we're gonna use today to thicken it. Over here, I've got hot water. Doesn't have to be hot, but makes it easier. And then here is our chef grade masa harina. Dude, this stuff is really good quality, by the way. I love this. You could use maseca, but it's gonna be a lesser quality, just saying. Not bashing it. I love maseca, it's great, but this one is just solid. Okay, so tossing in around 2 cups of that. Then these are local to Seattle, these cacao nibs. Call it, let's say half a cup of cacao nibs. These are really good as a snack too, you know? Really good. This is just straight up chocolate. There's no sugar or nothing. That's going in. Then a cup of our maple sugar. Blend. I'm gonna add more water. I'm making a big batch here because I added a lot of masa. Now I just think about it. We'll do some more cacao nibs. And then we let it rip. Sorry, I actually added too much masa. I wasn't thinking. That's for like a bigger batch. So you would add like, I'd say a cup or half a cup of masa to your 2 cups of water. So I just did about 1.5 quarts of water with 2 cups of masa. That's my ratio right now. And then I've got this like thick, pasty chocolate, what it looks like here. Set this aside. Now we're just gonna cook this off now. This is why I added hot water. It kind of helps like just bring it all together quicker. Come on, turn it on, turn it on. There we go. Get our nice little crock pot. Michael loves that. Now I'm just gonna add in 1 quart of milk. This is whole milk, by the way. You can use whatever milk you want. I like the whole milk because it has all that fat. Fat is good, fat is delicious, fat is flavor, fat is life. Fat is you, or it can be if you have a lot of this, because you know, it's not that good for you. Anyways, gonna toss in this stuff. Michael, get a nice zoom in of this chocolate sludge going into our crock pot. Look at that. Look at that silky, smooth Mexican chocolate. But it's not quite Mexican chocolate until you add the cinnamon, which we will add at this point. Just gonna do a little scrapey scrape all over the sides real quick. Kind of stir this around. And you want to stir it occasionally while it's on the heat as well. We don't want the bottom to scorch. Okay, so now at this point, we'll add in a cinnamon stick and just get that going in there. Or could do, where is it? We're in alphabetical order here and I can't find it. I don't think we have ground cinnamon. Okay, so if you don't have ground cinnamon like us, use a cinnamon stick, which usually people don't have these on hand. Let's do like 3 of these, right? 3 cinnamon sticks, and we're just gonna let this steep and cook off, get nice and thick and beautiful. Look at that. You can also add in some vanilla if you want. And you can use a whisk too, of course, but I'm just gonna use this rubber spat and keep scraping the bottom. I don't want it to scorch. And if it actually starts to get too thick on you, of course, you know, feel free to add more milk and keep cooking it off. We're just gonna bring this up to a simmer. I've taken these out right now because I want to just give these a little blend with the hand blender, and I don't want to like get shards of cinnamon in there. You can do this if you want. It's obviously perfect like this, but I want it to make it silky smooth. So, okay, so now I'm just gonna give this a little blend. This is just to make it nice and silky smooth, that's all. So now it's a little smoother. I'm just gonna toss these cinnamon sticks back in there. And vanilla flex. I'm gonna do some vanilla flex in there. You could do some vanilla paste or some vanilla extract if you want. Just a little bit of that, call it good. I just tasted it, it's really good. I'm gonna adjust it, just add a little more maple sugar. So just keep that in mind, sugar to taste always. If you wanted to, you could even do a pinch of salt if you're rolling like that. But this is pretty much good, dude. I'm just gonna like get it hotter, bring this up to a simmer, like I said, like 5 times. This is really good. Oh yeah, we've got simmering going on. Watch out, it's gonna be like molten lava because it's thickened with that masa, so it could splash all over you. That's gonna hurt. Now we're gonna turn this off and we've got our champurrado ready to go. I think it would be. He just asked me if lava's soft and mushy. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is what we're doing today. This is it though. This is the whole video. Are you guys still watching? Don't forget to like the video. Like the video, subscribe, do all that stuff. So I could buy more cat food and Michael can buy more dog food. You ready for the money shot, dude? This is it. Champurrado. Oh, that burns so bad. The time I was pouring, it was just burning because I didn't want to move. All right, here you go, dude.
Thank you.
Cheers. That's comforting, huh? It's got like the perfuminess from that masa. Super freaking good. Really, really comforting. This is a good soup, day 14. Call it a soup if you want. Beverage, whatever. Smash like, subscribe.